Good morning, all our friends from Arrington, Coombs, Whiskey Creek, Hilliers, and Meadowood. I'm Susan Pierce. I'm the Parksville Librarian. And this morning I'm here with ACRA, Arrowsmith Community Recreation Association. Good morning, Christine.
Good morning. My name is Christine Stevenson, and I'm a recreation coordinator. So, Susan, I hear that it is gardening month in May, and you have an activity planned for us today.
Yes, I do. I'm very excited about this activity, and I know you are too, Christine, because you've mentioned to me you're an avid gardener. So this morning we are going to try our hand at seed bombs. This is an activity for all ages, and it can also be a family activity. You could also do it for Mother's Day that's coming up. Things that we'll need for seed bombs are, of course, seeds. Christine has some wildflower seeds. You will also need some cut up construction paper into tiny pieces. You'll need some water.
We have a quarter cup of water here.
Excellent. And you'll need a little bit of flour to make it all stick together. And you're going to need a whisk and a bowl to put everything into.
So this is a bowl that I've got, and then I'm going to be using a wooden spoon today.
So what you're going to put into the bowl is all of the ingredients that we've talked about. Your flour, your water, your paper, and your seeds. And then you're going to mix them around thoroughly. You're going to take a little handful of the mixture and you're going to press it firmly in your hand into a tiny round ball. And then once you've pressed it firmly into a round ball and it's holding and bits aren't falling off, you're going to put it somewhere to dry, like on a cookie sheet or a sheet of wax paper or on a counter, just somewhere where you can leave it to dry overnight. Then once all your balls have dried overnight, you can either take them out immediately to plant them, or you can give them as a card to someone. So this is a card for Mother's Day, and you'll see that there's a little flower on it, and you can glue your little seed bomb to the center of the flower and give it as a gift. And then on Mother's Day, your whole family can help Mom plant her seed bombs that are her gift.
That's a great idea, Susan. So I didn't make these ones, but I received these as a gift a couple years ago, and they're exactly the same idea. They're made of paper and they have the seeds inside of them. But these ones, instead of being squished up into a ball, were squished into a cookie cutter. So they have the shape of a heart. So if you have a cookie cutter at home that you really like the shape of, you could make your seed bombs into that shape.
So thank you so much, all our friends from Arrington, Coombs, Hilliers, Whiskey Creek, and Meadowood for joining us today. And we hope you watch all of our other gardening videos in this series.